Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website in Mobirise. First, download and install the Mobirise application on your computer. It's available for both Windows and Mac operating systems. Once installed, launch the program and choose to start a new site. You can select from many pre-designed templates or begin with a blank canvas. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the intuitive drag-and-drop interface, which makes website building straightforward and fun. Now, let's dive into designing your pages. Mobirise uses a block-based system, allowing you to simply drag and drop various content blocks onto your page. These blocks include headers, footers, image galleries, and more. Each block offers extensive customization options. You can easily change backgrounds, adjust images, and modify text styles. Remember to add new pages as needed, and organize them logically using the Site menu to ensure a smooth user experience for your visitors. Populating your website with engaging content is the next crucial step. You can directly edit any text on your page by clicking on it, and replacing placeholder images is just as simple. Mobirise also allows you to effortlessly integrate various features like contact forms, social media sharing buttons, and interactive Google Maps. For quick edits, there's a convenient built-in image editor to crop or resize your photos without leaving the application, saving you valuable time. Finally, it's time to bring your website to the world. Before publishing, always use the preview function to see how your site looks on various devices, such as desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Mobirise offers several publishing options. You can upload your site to a local folder, directly to an FTP server, or even to a free Mobirise subdomain. After publishing, take a moment to thoroughly check all your links and forms to ensure everything is functioning perfectly for your visitors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.